Hello everyone and welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Donna and I'm a recent master's graduate from the Material Science program from the University of Ontario Institute of Technology, also known as Ontario Tech University. So today we're going to go over some commonly asked questions in chemistry at the high school, college, and university level. So if you needed any help with homework or with tutoring, then check out the links in the description below. Now let's just get started on our set of questions for today's session. Okay, so question 1. Write isotopic symbols in the form of AZX for the isotope of copper with 34 neutrons. So first, let's try to define AZ and X when used in this context. So X is pretty easy. It is pretty much just our symbol, which tells us which element that we have. A is atomic mass. And atomic mass is actually equal to the number of protons plus our number of neutrons. And finally, Z is our atomic number. And the atomic number is the same thing as our number of protons. Okay, so now that we defined everything for this form, let's start off by answering our question. So we have a copper isotope with 34 neutrons. So copper has the symbol of Cu. So we already know that our X will just be equal to Cu. And now we can look up copper on the periodic table and find out its atomic number. Okay, so let's pull up the periodic table. And copper is found here, and its atomic number is 29. So that means there are 29 protons. And the question says that this copper isotope has 34 neutrons. So let me write that down as well. And we have our Z is 29, which is also equal to our number of protons. So now let's plug these values in our equation for atomic mass. So again, atomic mass is our number of protons, which was 29, plus our number of neutrons, which is 34. So 29 plus 34 is equal to 63. So now we have all of our values for A, Z, and X. So therefore, A was 63, Z is 29, and our symbol is Cu. So now let's see what the junior tutor said. Atoms are made up of subatomic particles, namely protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons are positively charged and neutrons have no charge and can be found at the nucleus of an atom, while electrons are negatively charged and they surround our nucleus. Isotopes are atoms of an element that have a different number of neutrons in the nucleus. Isotope notation is typically written as AZX, where X is the symbol of the element, A is the atomic mass, which is the number of neutrons plus the number of protons, and Z is the atomic number, same with the number of protons. In this question, we are asked to find the isotopic symbol for copper with 34 neutrons. So first they wrote out the symbol, and they found the atomic number from the periodic table, which was 29. And finally, they calculated the atomic mass by adding 29 and 34 to get 63. So they got the same answer, and this solution is correct.